Have you ever wondered what the Earth will look like in 100 years? As we navigate through the 21st century, it's a question that's becoming increasingly pertinent. We're witnessing the impacts of climate change, from melting ice caps to intensifying weather events. Our planet's population is surging, projected to reach nearly 10 billion by the end of the century. At the same time, technology is advancing at a dizzying pace, transforming the way we live, work, and interact. But what does all of this mean for the future of our home planet? Scientific predictions paint a vivid picture, offering a glimpse into what Earth might look like a century from now. These forecasts are based on current trends and data, but they're also subject to change as we continue to make new discoveries and advancements. So, let's journey into the future. Let's explore the realm of possibilities. Dive with us into the potential future through the lens of science. Climate change, an issue we cannot ignore. This global phenomenon is already setting the stage for the Earth 100 years from now. As we continue to pump greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, the planet warms, and this warming isn't uniform. It's causing the polar ice caps to melt at an alarming rate. This in turn contributes to rising sea levels, which threaten to submerge coastal cities and create millions of climate refugees. But it's not just humans who are at risk. The delicate balance of ecosystems is being upset, with wildlife struggling to adapt to fast-changing habitats. From the polar bears in the Arctic to the coral reefs in our oceans, the impact is far-reaching. This is the future we're shaping, a future where the world is hotter, the seas are higher, and biodiversity is diminished. Climate change will undeniably mold the Earth of the future, but it's not the only factor. Population growth and technological advancements, two sides of the same coin. As the human population continues to burgeon, it brings with it an increased demand for resources. Food, water, energy, everything is stretched thin. But on the flip side, technology is racing to keep up, striving to provide solutions to these impending crises. Think about vertical farming, harnessing renewable energy, or desalinating seawater for drinking. These are not mere science fiction, but rapidly developing realities. Yet technology isn't just about solving resource scarcity, it's also transforming our lifestyles and societies. We're moving towards a world where work from home is the norm, where drones deliver our packages, where virtual reality can transport us to any corner of the globe. And with advancements in AI and automation, who knows what else the future holds? The interplay of population and technology will significantly shape our future Earth. The future is uncertain, but not entirely unpredictable. As we've traversed the projections of Earth 100 years from now, we've seen the potential impacts of climate change, the rise in population, and the evolution of technology. From melting ice caps to scorching heat waves, we're reminded that our actions today shape the climate of tomorrow. As the population burgeons, we're challenged to find sustainable solutions to ensure that every individual has a fair shot at life. And as technology evolves at an unprecedented pace, we're pushed to harness it for the good of all, not just a privileged few. These are not mere predictions, but possibilities grounded in data and science. They serve as a mirror, reflecting our current path and urging us to reconsider our steps. The importance of understanding these predictions cannot be overstated, for they are a call to action. The Earth of 100 years from now depends on us, on our actions today. What future do we want to create?